In this video, I'm going to share some tips on how you can make your Instagram stories better and make your business stand out. So let's get started. Tip number 1, use the native camera app on your phone. So usually on Instagram stories, people just use the camera within the Instagram app. But in order to get the best quality image or videos, get out of the Instagram app and use the native camera app on your phone to take your pictures and videos. First, you'll get better quality images or videos and you'll get more functions. You can play with exposure, you can play with focus, you can even try and use portrait mode if you have it on your phone. If you want to take it even a step further, you can always use a camera. If you'll shoot your videos or your pictures vertically, this is the exact dimensions as used on an Instagram story. This will make sure you'll stand out from the competition. Tip number 2, skip the Instagram filters. Again, if you want to stand out from the competition, you want to make sure you look different from them. So just take what you just shot on the native camera app and instead of using the filters built to Instagram, take your photos and use apps like VSCO or Snapseed in order to edit your photo. This way you'll get, again, the best quality and you can get a unique look for your images or videos and not just look as everyone else on Instagram. Tip 3, make sure your sound is clear. On Instagram today, it's really easy using our phone to make everything look great, but it's harder to make everything sound great. This is a great opportunity for you to make your Instagram stories stand out from your competition. If you're using sound on your stories or talking to the camera, make sure you're doing it close to the phone in order for the sound to be as good as possible. Making sure you're in a quiet environment will help you do it as well. If you need to be further from your phone, you can just use earbuds with a mic in them and put the mic close to your mouth when you're talking. This way the camera app will use the mic that is closer to you and everything will be loud and clear. Tip number 4, edit your videos. This is a big one. If you really want to make your Instagram story stand out, you can edit your videos into an Instagram story. At the end of the day, Instagram stories are just 15 seconds video shot vertically. So you can tell a whole story within this format. Just go ahead and shoot videos on your phone or your camera and then stitch them together to tell a story. There are some great, really simple apps out there like Quik, LumaFusion and much more. I'll just make sure to link some of them in the video description. Tip number 5, make sure you're on brand. When people come across your Instagram stories, you want to make sure they know it's your business. You can start by choosing your own color scheme or filters and then just use them in your Instagram stories. So over time, people will know what to expect from you. This color scheme means this is this business. Another great way to do it is just to add your business logo to your stories. A great way to do it is by using the TerraBrand design tool. This way you can easily add your logo to your story, you can have your own color theme, you can have your own fonts. Then every time people will come across your Instagram stories, they know it's your business. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more about how to make the perfect Instagram stories, make sure you check out our blog post and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!